Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make this 3D flower. You will need 100% acrylic yarn and 4.0mm crochet hook, scissor, and darning needle. To start, do a magic ring. Chain 1 and make 8 single crochet inside the ring. Once you have 8 single crochet, pull the tail and slip stitch in the first chain here. Chain of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and do double crochet in the next stitch, in the next chain here, not here, here, double crochet, chain of 2, 1, 2, yarn over, and double crochet in this next stitch or chain. Repeat chain of 2, 1 and 2, and double crochet in the next. When you reach to the end, chain of 2 and slip stitch in the third chain. 1, 2, 3. Slip stitch. Chain 1 and do single crochet in the space and add 5 double crochet in space. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 double crochet and single crochet in the last. Just repeat single crochet, 5 double crochet, and single crochet. When you reach to the end, just slip stitch in the first chain, in the first single crochet here. Slip stitch and chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and slip stitch in the middle of 2 single crochet. So right here we have 1 single crochet in this side and on the other side. In the middle, here we will do a slip stitch. Okay, here slip stitch and repeat chain of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and slip stitch into the middle of the 2 single crochet. When you reach to the end, just slip stitch in the first chain. Here, make a slip stitch, chain 1, and repeat single crochet, 5 double crochet, and single crochet in the last. Just repeat single crochet and 5 double crochet, and in the last is single crochet. When you reach to the end, just slip stitch in the first single crochet here, make a slip stitch, and then make a chain and cut the yarn. And hide the extra tail inside these stitches.